In this video, I'll show you how to create this clean and modern text animation in DaVinci Resolve. Start with a text node, and set the font and size the way you like. Once that's done, go to the Shading tab and enable Drop Shadow. Change the source to distance, set the softness X and Y to 10, and adjust the rotation X to 0.6 to control the direction of the shadow. We can see the shadow doesn't look right because of the distance setting, so let's move the text until it fits. Then add a transform node after the text and shift it back to the center. Once that's done, we can start the animation. Go back to the text node and adjust the tracking. Bring the letters closer together so the shadow effect becomes more visible. You can also change the shadow color for a different look. Next, we'll animate the text with 3 steps: a write-on, a tracking animation, and a smooth fade-in. Add a keyframe at the start with write-on set to 0, then move forward and set another keyframe at 1. Tighten the letters with the tracking control and set a keyframe at the start. Then add another keyframe where the write-on finishes, and reset the tracking back to its original value. This way, the letters not only type on, but also spread out smoothly, making the animation feel more dynamic and polished. Once we've finished with the tracking animation, let's move over to the Shading tab. Here we can adjust the opacity, which will allow us to create a smooth fade-in and make the overall text animation feel more professional. Add a keyframe at the beginning with the opacity set to 0. Then, a few frames later, add another keyframe and raise the opacity to 1 for a smooth fade-in. Now let's head back to the edit page to continue working on the last step of the animation. For a smoother transition, let's adjust the opacity in the inspector. Set it to 0 at the start, then bring it up to 1 after a few frames. And just like that, our text effect is complete. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.